Today, I'm going to perform two nature printing techniques. First is rubbing. I will do the leaf rubbing, and here are the materials. First is coupon band. Next is crayons and different kinds of leaves. Flip the leaf under the bond paper. I will use black crayons. Rub the crayon until the leaves appear. Then color it so that it will look beautiful. This is the result of my leaf rubbing. Second is press print or stamping. Materials needed. First is banana stalk and calamansi, paint or watercolor, and the last is bond paper. Procedure. Dip the calamansi and press it on the paper. Dip the banana stalk and press it on the paper. Let the paint dry. This is now my leaf rubbing and press printing.